Hey everyone, today I'm here with my couch surfing host Ratha. We just came to get some lunch today, and then we're gonna go on an adventure around the city of Siem Reap. I'm helping him film a video for his business that he runs. So for lunch we got some delicious looking food.
Siem Reap soup with chicken. The most ever that I want to recommend the people around the globe, because up here is a special dish in Siem Reap located. And this one we call the fried beef with mushrooms, and that is my best favorite food that I call fried ginger with hot. So why not enjoy when you be here Siem Reap, Cambodia, enjoy here. Because food is very important to get a Cambodian culture. Second, you go to the countryside or whatever to get a Cambodian people lifestyle. And the last one, people ever want to go, they go to the Angkor Wat. Temple, people lifestyle, and the food culture. Culture, Cambodian Siem Reap guy.
Alright, time for adventure. Roth is driving today. So the first place that my couchsurfing host Ratha brought me to is this temple called Pre Angkor Se. It was built in the late 8th and 9th century here in Siem Reap, and it's a free temple to come visit. So there's a lot of temples that you have to pay to get into here in Siem Reap, but the temple culture is huge, and you can find really cool ones that are free that you can go visit as well, and this is one of them. Alright, hope you enjoyed this temple. We are getting ready to head back to Ratha's house now to pick up his tuk-tuk and go ride around and do some filming for his video on that now. Did it work? I don't know if it worked, the time lapse. I guess I'll find out when I edit this video. So it literally looks like it's about to pour down rain. So I think we're gonna wait till after the rain to continue this video. You can see the front of the storm like right over here. And look at this. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Crazy dark skies. Definitely about to pour down rain here. Yeah, so this is where I'm staying at my friend Ratha's house here in Siem Reap. He's a couch surfing host. I'll link his profile down below if you want to stay with him in Siem Reap. He's a good guy, really nice. Yeah, it's a good place to stay too. So this is his house. You got the little living rooms type space here, and there's 2 bedrooms. This is my room where I've been staying at, and then Ratha's room is right here. Boom. And then back here is the like kitchen type area. Don't have stuff to cook with, but that's okay. There's tons of cheap, good food around here. And then the bathroom. So yeah, I'll link his couch surfing profile down below if you want to check it out. And there will also be another surprise here for you that I'll reveal later in the episode today. This is literally insane, yo. This is the hardest I've seen it rain in Cambodia yet. It's crazy. I love rainstorms. And it is poured down rain. Look at this. Woo! There was no water there before. And now it's like this deep. What the? This is so crazy. Yo, it's dark now. It was raining for a long time. We will continue this episode in the future. Welcome to the future. Just got to this restaurant for breakfast like my friend Ratha was saying yesterday. Siem Reap is all about the temples and the food culture here. So we came and got some super dank beef noodle soup for breakfast. Gonna chow down on this and then go on an adventure. All right, we're out of here. See you later. On to the next adventure. Ratha, where are we going?
We go to the temple.
To the temple. Yo, so we just arrived at this temple here, Wat Ashrir. We can't go inside today though because my Angkor Wat ticket expired from the other day, and you use that ticket to get into this temple. So if you're looking for something cool to do after you visit Angkor Wat, come to Wat Ashrir outside of the city center. It looks really beautiful. You can see most of it from right here. Yeah, so the adventure continues. So Ratha just brought me to this place right by the floating village that's outside of Siem Reap called the Lotus Farms, and it's this giant lake filled with lotus flowers. So cool. Okay, so today I'm parting ways with the Pink Unicorn, my trusty motorbike. This is the last day that the Pink Unicorn's mine. Handing over the keys here.
Oh, come on, motorbike! Come on, give a big hug. Thanks so much for your give me a really good gift. Oh my God, I cannot even explain that is a very good gift because I know this is gonna be really big, like memorizing for him for long day trip from Vietnam. Yeah, come on.
Yeah, so I'm gifting the Pink Unicorn to my friend Ratha here. He is
thank you so much.
He is the #1 couch surfing host here in Siem Reap. Tons of people come and stay with him, and now when people come and stay with him, they will have a motorbike to ride around and get around here in Siem Reap. So in memory of the Pink Unicorn, let's play some of the good memories. Alrighty, so the bike journey day 1 of Vietnam is officially about to begin. Pink Unicorn made it to the highest mountain pass. Like a champ. I just got a bug in the face. That was the first time that happened. I don't know what it was, but I destroyed some buggy. All right, and now some of the bad memories. My bike completely slides out from underneath me. Started off today with some motorbike repairs. My motorbike like won't start. I just crashed coming down this hill. Broke off this foot peg right here, right next to the gear lever, and it's all bent now. We're back at the mechanic shop. It sounded like a really loud backfire and then just lost power, and now it won't start. So I'm gonna have to push it to a mechanic shop or something. This is broken and this is good. The sprocket is just like spinning around the piece that it's attached to now and not catching.
two Honda wins down.
I just completely crashed on the pink unicorn. I didn't get hurt, but the bike got pretty messed up. You can see all this is messed up and destroyed, this box right here. Okay, so with every ending there is a new beginning, and the new beginning that comes with this ending is a plane trip around the world.